Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. Today, we the 19th batch of such IP are leaving this facility after a month of intense training on industrial technology on mechanical engineering at the TICI. As students of industrial and production engineering, we get a very limited exposure on the mechanical engineering sector. And through this training, we have achieved a closer look at the machines, mechanical devices and components used in the industry. We also got in touch with the maintenance, fabrication and alignment technologies. We had the privilege to know about control technology, power generation and distribution, plant condition monitoring, machinery management system and industrial safety. For example, I personally didn't know much about turbines and the knowledge was all theoretical, but I was actually amazed to understand the in-depth working mechanics of turbines when I saw it with my own eyes and felt it with my own hands. During our tight schedule, we were amazed by Mr. Joshimuddin Ahmed Khan sir and Mohammad Mufazzal Hussain sir with their extensive experience at the industry. We are mesmerized by the in-depth demonstration by Mustafa Abdul Majid sir and Mohammad Motiur Rahman sir, which we will never forget. We learned with fun with Mohammad Nur Muhammad sir and Mohammad Anwar Islam sir and was always guided in the proper way by our course coordinator, Mr. Shipon Mullah sir. We also got the chance to experience the expertise from ICD and EED department, and the safety class by Mr. Muhammad Ziaul Haq sir from ISHT department was very interactive indeed. A heartiest thank you to all our respected trainers, and a heartiest thank you to all our respected trainers and the mechanical engineering department for giving us such a wonderful opportunity to learn. We would also like to thank the authority for the nice accommodation and outstanding hospitality. It was so good that we never felt far away from home. There were a lot to learn from the training, apart from all the engineering masterpieces. There is an old saying that we have been hearing since our childhood. It says, "Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise." And after continuing the tight schedule of 1 month that TSA gave us a taste of, I can finally agree upon to the same. We strongly agree that the schedule was very compact yet very much active. And I would like to thank our course teachers, Professor A.B.M. Abdul Malik sir and Mr. Mahathir Mohammad Bapi sir to support us through the month and helping us with the guidelines that we needed to make the best out of TSA. In our course of studies in the industrial engineering, we frequently use the term called value. We say that a product becomes lucrative to a customer only when there is a value added to it. And by value, we strictly emphasize on the engineering value which can be incorporated. I believe that at the TICI, we have been gifted with the exactly required values that you need to feel confident at the industry and definitely going to make us stay ahead of the competition. We will always remember the TICI as a milestone for our career to start as engineers. And yes, I am going to miss the TICI. Thank you.